one of Hawaii's former but lesser known alii.
Prince Albert Kunuyakia was he was the illegitimate child of Kamehameha III, and he was known for his very rascal ways. So he composed this song, and it's a song about a love affair that occurred under the sweet moonlight. And this is a hula kalua, or a partner's dance, that we're gonna feature once again, Kumuhula Franka Ananakiwa and our dear friend Puni Badis, sharing this good fun song off of our newest album. Hope you guys like this song, Sweet Moonlight.